Looking for a comfortable and convenient place to call home during your college years? Welcome to Tribeca On The Creek Apartments, your ultimate student housing destination in Dallas. Choose from thoughtfully designed cozy and modern 1- and 2-bedroom condominium homes. Each apartment is complete with snug bed, spacious walk-in closets, hardwood-style flooring, designer countertops, framed mirror accents in the bathrooms, and a private patio balcony. But that's not all. The building also boasts a purposefully designed amenity package including a beautiful picnic barbecue area, a designer outdoor kitchen, and sparkling swimming pools, along with 24-hour emergency maintenance, laundry centers, and gated security. Plus, the pet-friendly community even has a dog park where your furry friend can socialize. Nested in the new Midtown Dallas neighborhood, Tribeca On The Creek Apartments is just a short drive from esteemed Southern Methodist University and the Art Institute of Dallas. And when you're ready to venture out, you're in for a treat. Charming coffee houses like Le Cafe Central and vibrant hangout spots like Bar Louie are just a hop, skip, and jump away. Craving a delicious meal? Applebee's Grill Plus Bar and Cholula Restaurant are right around the corner. So, what are you waiting for? Live, learn, and thrive right in the heart of Dallas at Tribeca On The Creek Apartments. Visit amberstudent.com to secure your spot today.